Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to replace ink cartridges in Canon Pixma TS5151. Subscribe to Signal Guru and let's go. First, make sure your printer is powered on and then gently lift the scanning unit up until it gets fixed, like this, and wait for the cartridge holder slide out of the right corner. And now you see this message on the printer's display: the scanning unit cover is open, you can replace the ink cartridges. Now, as you can see, you have two cartridge slots. One is labeled C, is for color cartridge, and one is labeled B for black cartridge. So now gently push this handle and put up the cover. Repeat the same for the black cartridge slot. And now take the cartridge and pull it towards yourself and a little up to remove. Next, remove the black cartridge as well. Lift up a little bit and pull towards yourself. Next, you need to prepare your new cartridges. When you use a new cartridge, it always has protective film on the printing head and on the metallic contacts. So you need to pull the orange ribbons and remove all the protective films from contacts and from the printing head, and make sure you never touch with your finger the printing head and contacts, because otherwise you can spoil the cartridge forever. Once the cartridges are ready, you can insert them, so make sure the label is not upside down. Now just glide the cartridge into the slot, black cartridge into the right slot, and color cartridge into the left slot, and gently close the lids until they clicks. And now you can close the scanning unit. Do it confidently but softly until it clicks also, and something is starting moving inside, and once stopped you can use the printer. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.